small guy. And I have to use a spoon just to squeeze. When you usually do this at midday, people will know that you are going to cook. Because of spreading like this. So hello, what's up guys? Here I got Grace Mission for my channel subscribers. Thank you all for checking me here, and if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Support our talking live from the village. And today I am at our kitchen and we are going to do some tea. Also we have tea leaves. This is tea leaves. We have also sugar. This is how they pack here at the village. This is half a kg. They usually pack it in this plastic bag. Also, we have milk. We usually use the long life because getting cow milk is it's not easy when you are late from waking up. So this is the whole life milk. I'm going to use it today. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing and don't miss to give the video a like. Thank you so much. So I have to reduce the water because the water is full, so I have to reduce the water, yeah. So actually what we have to do, we have to add tea leaves first. It's not like the time you have some sachets you dip inside hot water and milk, but here I usually add tea leaves in the water. Yeah. I don't have a scissor to cut it I use my hand. So I add the tea leaves first. What's not going? After that we add milk. We add the milk. So I have to use a knife maybe to cut the milk. You see, today I have my file with they are not that bad. So I add milk. We add milk inside the boiling water and the tea. This is an African style, as you can see here in the village. This is what we usually do here. Drop a sweet comment if you have ever done like this as our local village. This is what we do here when we are making tea, yeah. So we add the other milk. After adding milk, we shall wait it to boil so that we're gonna add sugar. After it is ready, we're gonna add the sugar. Yeah, so continue watching there until the end. Give the video a like actually. I know you have a message friend you can share in your community if you have a community so thank you so much. Let's continue moving together. Yeah. So it's ready. Let me show you. It is boiling now. So what we have to do, we have to add some sugar I add some sugar. Uh-oh. So everyone here has sugar. No one is diabetic. Everyone needs sugar in the body because of the hard work that they do. So we add the sugar. After that, I have to mix the sugar. This is how you mix with this cup here, plastic cup. And these are the flasks that we usually put the tea, so that when a visitor comes, finds that everything is ready, and they're gonna give the tea to the visitor. Like, so we leave it to boil, and then we shall continue putting it inside the flask. Like, it is ready, so I have to reduce the firewood, because always here at the village the firewood is very scarce, so you have to reduce the firewood and put them here for another use. Like, so we'll move the tea, and I have to use a sieve for this one here, also a jug, just to sieve the tea. So I put it inside the plastic, and you should be careful, because unless you are going to burn yourself, otherwise you're going to burn yourself. So guys, welcome again. We are here washing the utensils. Actually, I don't have a sink, so that's why you see me. I am using the floor, like, and I have to be careful, or else the water will run to the kitchen, to the fireplace. So, and then you will continue mopping the floor. So let's do the washing. This is like a morning routine. Like, and here in the village, if you are at the kitchen, your first thing to do is actually, I usually wash them in the evening, but then today I'm washing them in the morning. Like, yeah. And we are using panga soap here in the village. The main thing here, we don't have the washing, how do we call it? Still lemon water, but we usually use the panga soap and a piece of cloth, like, yeah. And today I have only the plates, because the cups we washed them like yesterday. They're clean. Only the plates. Yeah, you know, when you are full, when you have eaten, you don't feel like doing any stuff, like doing the washing. There are people lazy out there. So, and I'm going to rinse them. Like, this is the washing, this is the rinsing, and this is the rinsing. I want to put it 3 types of water, not 3 types, but the same in different plastics. Yeah. So we are rinsing. We don't have a tap. Oh, this is the village life. So we don't have our sink is here, and we don't use it actually, because we don't have a tap. So I have to put the plates on top here, so that I will arrange them later when they are dry. so that they drink the water, and then I shall arrange them next. If you love the village life, put your hand up. You love the village, yeah. Actually, where is the village that you find you wash the utensils and you don't wash the sufuria? This is the one that I used to cook the tea, and I have to wash it like so. And I'm going to use this scrubber here. It is old, but it's going to work. This is for cooking vegetables. Cooking vegetables. Oh, I have to add. Washing my sufuria. This is cooking omena, the searing fish. Also, you can cook for one person. Like. See how clean it is? This old scrubber here gonna make the sufuria to be clean like this. So this is the village, and I have to leave it again. Wow. And we keep it there. Drop a comment if you wash your sufuria. We usually wash them from inside. The outside remains like that because we don't want them to get old though. Oh. Hello, what's up again? Hope you enjoyed the video from the start until the end. So here I have the tea. And usually tea here is the morning routine. We should have tea as you wake up in the morning. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please, if you are outside there and if you are new here and if you have not subscribed, go do it because we are heading to 2,000 subscribers and more. Hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful, peaceful holiday 2023. Prosperous life, actually. May you continue praying to each other so that we move together on the new year. Thank you so much. I may end up this video here. May we meet in another video. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao. Bye. Bye bye.